Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hires Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the 2023 Dodge Charger Super Bee Special Edition. What makes this the fastest naturally aspirated muscle car ever made is a 6.4-liter V8 nestled firmly underneath the hood. Produces 485 horsepower and 475 foot-pounds of torque. That equates out to a 4.3 second 0 to 60 and 11.7 second quarter mile. One of the defining features of this drag-oriented machine is the 3-mode adaptive suspension system. This adaptive dampening system allows the driver to include modes such as drag mode, which is going to give you optimal weight transfer to the rear wheels. Equipped with the 20-inch Nextons, that's going to really help get that power to the ground and get this thing launched down the track fast. The Super Bee comes equipped with 20-inch black wheels. They're wrapped with Z-rated racing style Nexton tires, nice soft compound, almost 11 inches wide, really helps keep this car planted on the ground and get that power transfer to the ground. It's being stopped by a nice 4-piston Brembo braking system. Calipers are painted bright red. It's really going to stand out inside that wheel and let everybody know it really means business. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos on cars just like this one. And if you want to take a look at this Super Bee, come down to Boniface Hires Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida. Thank you.